I'd like to do an overview of the boards that I made for the Pi Chef Challenge. This is the main board for the Pi, the Raspberry Pi hat. So we can see I've got the main pin header. I've got broken out a secondary pin header that's got all the same pins available to it, because the first one will go out to the touchscreen. We've got a proto area down here. I've got a jumper for the grid eye camera, thermal camera. I've got a logic level converter for the 3.3 to 5 volt, the I2C bus. This is a pin header for the DHT sensor, sorry. And then up here we've got the two headers. One goes out to the air sensor board, and one is the analog to digital converter. Okay, over here we've got the 4 MOSFETs. I've got 4 LEDs to show that they're running. And then I've got the buzzer connector with a flyback diode, a transistor, and a base resistor. I've got some test points over here for power and ground. Got a breakout board here for the relay, sorry, pin header that goes out to the relay board. And another connection here for a fan that I'm going to use. Okay, and then if I jump over to the other board, this is the board that's going to hold the MQ sensors. So I've got 4 headers here, 4 sets of headers that run back to this. I've got a connector that goes back to the main board for the DHT sensor, and a little note to my wife to let her know I'm almost done here because we're closing in the end. And I put some silk screen on here to show the airflow direction, just because I could. Over on the right, I threw in some breakout boards for the thermal camera, the grid eye, that I was able to find on the internet, and that link is included. So I may be switching the camera that I'm using to a different one, the low gain one, so I can get a higher temperature range. So those are the 2 boards that I created for this project.